Morning, people. Monday, December something. 9, 10? Anyway, it's Monday. I know that much. Short video. Just 2 complaints. Been having problems with my excluder. It's printing and it wants to skip. Here's an example. Doing the valve covers. This is a 10-hour print. Started off okay. Got the first layer down here. Went back, did another layer. Came back over here. Did nothing. When I found it, it was sitting over here. I don't know if it was still doing nothing. I just finished a 10-hour print, or 12-hour print, doing a flywheel, a bunch of pulleys, other miscellaneous parts in black. Had no problems. Then the really bad news, getting dizzy, is the engine block. Nice detail on this thing. Anyway, this is a 44-hour print, and somewhere around probably 18 hours or so, it didn't occlude. The filament didn't run. I've super glued these pieces back together. I'm not going to be using it. But it was a good 2 to 3 layer gap. When I took it off the bed, these sides snapped right off. So I was down here and I heard a click, 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 clicking noise, and the excluder was skipping. I don't know if I should change this out. I do have a MK8 assembly that I could put on it. The other problem, the bed seems to be sturdy. Some of these it doesn't want to move. But I get a chatter every now and then, and it seems to be coming from the Y. I have tried tightening the belt. It's got pretty good tension. I adjusted the belt on the X. Pretty good tension. It doesn't seem to do anything about the print. I think it's on the high-speed movement. But it is a little annoying having a new machine chatter. So that's my only 2 complaints. Like I said, this build platform, I've tried adjusting it and this looks like the first layer. And this one is probably 2 layers. But that's my problem. This guy will go click, 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 click. And nothing's coming out. I have tried pushing it, and sometimes that's worked. But of course it's too late because it's already skipped. Anybody have any ideas, suggestions? Change it? Are you having the same problems? Let me know in the comments. And I'm out of here. Have a good week. It's almost Christmas. Bye.